can you make my wallet, can you help make my wallet fit in my back pocket? I have 13 ones. And they said, yeah, of course. We can take 10 of those ones, and we can give you a $10 bill. I said, oh, that makes sense. But what am I going to do with those 3 ones? I said, oh, you can just keep them, put it back in the wallet. So now I only have 4 bills instead of 13. And then I was like, but I also have 12 $10 bills. I need to make those smaller too. So what can I do? Or, we can take 10 of those 10s, and we give you $100.
Oh!
Because 10 10s make 100, and 10 1s make it 10. So think of it like this. Sometimes 1s are going to be scattered like that. I can take 10 of these 1s and I can trade them in for a 10. So those 2 1s that are left over stay in my 1s place, and I add a 10s rod to my 10s place. The 1s are still there, they're just in a different form. I can also, if I have a bunch of 10s, don't worry about this. If I have a bunch of 10s, I can take 10 of them, and I can trade them in for $100. Now those 10s didn't go anywhere, they just looked different and they came together. That's right, come on. So, everyone open your journal for crypto. No, we don't have whiteboards today. Actually, close your nose, I'm sorry. Close your nose. Make sure they're still in front of your pencils down. Nothing's in your lap but your hands. Nothing's in your lap but your hands. I'm going to show you how to do this. If I was going to add these 2 numbers together and I needed to regroup, I would write my first number up top, 26. Then, I know there's a 2 in my 10s place. So I draw 2 10 rods in 1 and 6 1s. So that's my first number. Then I draw my second number. I know I have 1 10, so I draw another 10 rod, and then I have to draw my 1s. So I draw 5 more 1s. But I'm like, oh, I know I have 10 1s here that could trade out for a 10 and make this easier. So I'm going to circle 10, and I'm going to add a 10 rod. I like to put a little line just so I know that I'm not going to count these anymore. They're over here. So then I count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40. I know there's only one left. My voice is the only one that's on right now. 41. Easy. Let's try another one. 3-digit numbers. I'm going to start over here with 174. I'm going to underline it so I know which number I'm doing. I'm going to write it on top. I'm going to start from the left and add my 100. Remember, we draw squares for hundreds. And then I'm going to add my 10s. I'm going to add 7 10s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have my 1s. I need to add 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 174 is done. I move on to 261. I'm just going to label. I like to label mine so I know which number should go in which places. I'm going to put 200s. Thank you, Naya. I'm going to add 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to add 1 1. So I know I don't have 10 ones.
You could change that into a...
But I think I have 10 10. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle them. I'm going to cross them out so I don't think they're still there. Then I'm going to add another 100. Then I'm going to count them up. 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 431, 432, 433, 434, 435 equals 435.
Oh, okay. So that
Now we're going to try this one together. Everyone open up your journals to the first blank page.